In this video, we will review the Preview tab of our invoice after we've included our fees and adjusted some line item display options. The Preview tab is where we can take further actions on the invoice. Starting at the top left corner, we'll see a few options shown on the screen. Starting with the invoice layout, this is where we'll have the compact toggle. When it's enabled, the compact toggle will help get more information onto a single page. By default, the first page of the invoice may be treated as a cover page before showing a breakdown of our charges, but if we need to get more information onto the pages, compact is very helpful for doing this. We'll also observe below reminder emails. You have the ability to standardize and send out invoice reminders from Monograph. If enabled, we can determine how many days before the invoice is due, after, and if we like to set a reminder on the due date. We can enter our client email address here, and if there are multiple recipients, we can use a comma to separate them. As a recommended practice, we suggest CCing yourself or an office email within the CC line for visibility. And once our reminder emails are standardized, we'll also see, and we can collapse this option here, where it's showing share. We're not connected to the QuickBooks Online integration, but you will see an option in between where we can send the invoice to QuickBooks Online, which is normally suggested after the invoice is marked as open. From the share section, we can either print a copy of the invoice or download a PDF for record keeping. And with an export, this is where we can download a QuickBooks Online or a Xero compatible file if the invoice would like to be manually uploaded into one of those applications. We also have the ability to include an internal note. This will not be added or shown to the client, but maybe if we have specific or internal context. We can include that note right here. Scrolling back above, at the top right corner, this is where we'll find the option. We can duplicate or delete the invoice, or if we're ready to send it out, we can begin the process of opening and sharing it, which is covered in our next video.